Welcome to this quick guide where I'm going to show you how to download and install Python on Windows 10 and Windows 11. Start by opening up your web browser and then go to this web page. I'll also have this web page linked in my written guide, which will be the first link in this video's description, so you can go ahead and get it from there. But once you're on the Python downloads page, you'll see that you can download the latest version of Python for Windows. And you can do that by clicking on this button that says Download Python. Once the download is finished, just click on the Python exe to launch it. And then the Python installation wizard will launch. When you get to this screen, make sure that you check both of these boxes so that you use admin privileges when installing py.exe and that you add python.exe to path. Then click on Customize Installation. Make sure that all of these boxes are checked and then click on Next. And here in the advanced options, you want to customize the install location by clicking on Browse. Then you want to browse to this PC and select your C drive. And with the C drive selected, you want to click on Make New Folder. Then you want to call this folder Python and then just click anywhere on an empty white space. Then make sure that Python is selected and click on OK. So Python will be installed to a folder called Python that's located on our C drive. Then you can go ahead and click on Install. You might get a user account control prompt. Just click on Yes. And then the Python installation wizard will start. Once Python has been installed successfully, you can just close all of these windows. And then you can find Python by opening up your File Explorer, then going to this PC, then the C drive, and then you'll find this folder called Python with all of the Python files inside of it and the Python application. So that's how to download and install Python on Windows 10 and 11. I do hope this guide helped you out. Please like the video and watch any of my other helpful guides on this channel, and I'll see you in the next one.